And before we use the visual cutting, we need to calibrate the visual camera. We must calibrate it carefully. So first we click the diagnosis button. Okay, and the vision, click. Basic information here. And camera calibration. And because we have table A and table B, both tables we need to calibrate one by one. Okay, now we will first calibrate the upper table. This is the table A. Click calibration. Make sure the red light from the laser head is on. Click yes.
首先输入标定板材的尺寸。
Follow the steps here one by one, and first please input the standard plate size. Normally about 700 by 700 millimeter.
然后现在标定停靠点是吧？
对，
这个。
And then we move the laser head on the back, because we can't, the laser head can't block the plate. Now you can see the laser head is out of the screen, so we can click the docking. 刚才已经点了是吧？
已经点了。那现在设置一个它的画范围。
And then
视觉识别范围。
And then we set the camera visual scale.
按照这个图示。
According to this picture, you can see bottom right 1, bottom left 2. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4.
好。
So you can see we move the plate according to the camera here. We must place the standard plate inside this area. Now we click the place plate. And then click the adjustment complete. And then locate plate. Yeah, click yes. So we can see now the laser head automatically move to the plate area. And then click the enable aging. The laser head will test the exactly position of this plate in this way. And when we calibrate, you'd better prepare to click the e-stop button at any time. Be careful, do not hurt the laser head. Okay, it's shaking finish. And then next step, click yes.
进行修正，把切割头移到后面去。
And now we move the laser head back out of the.
通过后轮把图像放大，点击4个角。
We zoom the screen and click the four corner from bottom right to clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Now click OK and
放在这个位置。
move this plate to this position inside this frame, and use something.
垫高25毫米。
Use something to make the plate 20 millimeters high, 25 millimeters higher. Here we use we use this part to make this plate higher. When we click the locate plate, the laser head will automatically move to this area, and then we click enable easing, it will seek plate easing again. Click OK and move laser head to the back side. And let the camera could see the complete standard plate.
OK， 标出来了。
Click， 刚才点的是 OK 是吧？
没有。
You can see the camera will recognize the plate corner exactly automatically, and then click OK.
标定完成。
Click OK. So this is how to calibrate the Fibra camera.
下平台是一样的道理。
And this is table A. Table B need to calibrate completely same way just now we calibrate. For the calibrate, we must calibrate it carefully, because if the camera calibrate not very accuracy, when we place the drawing by screen, the laser head can't find the right position. Okay.